And there we can just about see the finished shape, or at least the potential for it. The foot's going to need some more shaping yet. But there we are. I cut this out quite carefully, by the way, using a parting tool with the tool rest round here to get the exact angle for the jaws of the mini jaws that go on this choke, because that is really important. Anyway, yeah, you can see the potential for it there. I want to try and get this finished now so I can turn it over and hollow it out, because I don't want to leave it too long as a thick block. They crack much more easily that way. And there we are. I went too thin. Oh, I should have been more careful and measured it properly. But there we are. I'll zoom in. And you can see like right into the chuck body there. So it's gone right through. Shame though, I was quite pleased with the shape of the bowl. There we are. I've just completely misjudged the depth. Among other things, I should have measured it more carefully. You see inside there, that's where the jaws would grip to turn it the other way. Well, that's where they were gripping, sorry, to turn it this other way and to hollow it out. I was quite pleased with the shape, and I've got quite an even thickness around the side. The bottom seemed a bit thick to me, so I gave it an extra push and pop, it went right through there. But you know, I'm not going to throw this away. You just never know with turning. It might make an interesting kind of thing that joins onto something else, because I could turn something of that same diameter to fit in there. So watch this space. This project is not over, just the idea of a bowl. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it Twig, brother. I'll be back with more very soon. Bye.